video here. Going for a road ride. The last road ride I went on, I kind of went south. This time I'm going to go north. So I'm going to go to kind of a cool tunnel under the interstate, and this time I don't have to ride hardly any asphalt to do it. But hopefully you guys enjoy these road rides. We've been getting a lot of rain here recently, so all of my trails are overgrown. I'm sure all the trails at the ride parks are overgrown. So I don't know, maybe we'll make a trip to Finger Lakes in Columbia, Missouri sometime soon, but other than that, we're probably not going to ride a whole lot until our trip to Colorado later this summer. So still getting rain, so this might be kind of muddy. That's okay, I'll make it a little more fun. Get right up here alongside the interstate. Now there's no more houses, this is just a maintenance road. Oh boy. Oh wow. Guess we'll keep going. You could probably actually have a Raptor on this road, and you could probably actually beat a Swift truck if you were trying to race one. I mean, I haven't done it. Kind of be fun to try. Yeah. Let's put a drone in the air. head back home. I didn't have much time for a ride today, but I was able to get out a little bit, so I kind of want to go through the tunnel again. I have my quiet cores out, and this thing just sounds awesome going through the tunnel. Thank you guys for watching the video. I know it's just a short road ride, but I wanted to get some content out to you guys over the summer, because our Colorado trip isn't until like late summer. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.